I'm going to go over a hands-free flashlight, or actually a flashlight for your hands. And this is from the company Samply, I think how you would say that. I did open them up and use them here. You can see they're out of the package here. And this is a package of one pair. They're super bright, 360-degree rotation, can be retracted. And you know what? Last all day. It's an LED light. It uses 0.5 watts of power. It's 50 to 60 luminas. It's waterproof rating IP68, which is pretty high waterproof. Color temperature is 6,000 to 7,000. Battery life's 8 hours. Charging time 30 to 40 minutes. Then you get this little set of instructions to kind of show you how to charge it here and then how to put it on. And I'm going to show you real quick. This is the charger that came with it. What it is, it's actually a long cable. Look at the length of that cable. USB-A, and it charges kind of like an Apple product, kind of. Oh, I just turned it on. You see this little magnet thing right here? Look at that. Just locks right into place. So really good on that. Really good. It's their proprietary charger, by the way. Let me just show you one on how this thing works. You're going to open it up just like this, slide it on, and this is actually some pretty powerful Velcro. Put that on like that. You could put it actually on any finger, but look, I went on the thumb and forefinger, and these are rotatable. You can rotate these around. So I'm going to turn that one in and that one that way, and then just watch this. Touch sensitive. That is awesome, everybody. This is such a handy item to have. I think this is one of the coolest, like, little flashlights I've ever had. And just looking over it here, it's like I said, you can turn it that way or turn it that way, and you see it shining down right there. And what it does, it frees up your hands for using your hands. So if I need to do something, I can use right here. If I need to dig into a drawer or like into a cabinet or something like that, you have hands free right here. I went into like my kitchen cabinet and kind of looked around, turned off all the lights to show y'all how well these things work. And look how easy those touch sensies go. That is it's more like a very tight touch to it, and with a pretty good battery on it. And they look really cool. It just looks really neat when you're using them. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Samply hands-free lights. See you all in the next video.